Burning pallet wood is almost trivial, kind of like getting into an argument with someone at that time of the month. But following a few tips and best practices, such as making sure that you're not in the direct path of any flames and carefully directing them, will make sure that you don't have too much of a traumatizing experience. And the same applies to burning wood. First off, we're going to have to actually be able to burn the wood. No, we're going to need something a little bit more substantial than that. To burn wood at least somewhat safely, you'll need to have the proper tools and some precautions. It's not very complicated. Essentially, you'll need one thing: a torch. This is a torch that I got from the plumbing department of Big Box. But any torch or source of fire should work as long as it's hot and you feel confident that you can direct it where you want it and you have it under total control. And unless it comes in a kit, you might want to spring for one of these little lightning devices here. It helps to start it. For this part, I seriously advise you to be outside, so that things don't go totally wrong and you aren't setting fire to your house or anything important, such as your wife's shoe collection. You want to make sure that you aren't holding a piece of wood that you want to burn. It's not on top of anything that can be set on fire. And preferably you have options for putting out any fires you can start. In my case, I'm on top of snow, so I can bury any fires in snow. You want to move at a steady pace. This allows you to control the burning. You notice how the wood changes color when it's heated? If you move slowly, it'll get darker. If you move faster, it'll stay a little bit lighter. I practice on a few pieces of wood in order to improve my skills. But in the end, you always get a few surprises. It's not an exact science, and you're going to have some small variances. See how nice this is? My daughter finished it with polyurethane floor finish. 2 coats.
Why are you wearing 2 coats?
Well, you told me to finish it with 2 coats.
Now it's been a few days and all I had to do is basically mount it on her window. I used a brad nailer with 1.5 18 gauge nails in order to put the boards around the window, and it's nice and solid. Just how nice is this? Leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode.
Why are you wearing 2 coats? You have one job. One job.
I was gonna say my line, then I was like, oh God, I'm gonna laugh as soon as I say it. Oh, you told me to finish it with 2 coats. Okay, sorry, I'm like the worst person.